The common misconception of veganism. Veganism, the practice of abstaining from the consumption of animal products, has gained significant popularity in recent years. While this lifestyle choice is largely seen as a positive step towards reducing animal cruelty and environmental impact, it is not without its fair share of misconceptions. These misconceptions often arise from a lack of understanding or miscommunication about the principles and benefits of veganism. So let's explore some common misconceptions about veganism and debunk them. One common misconception is that vegans do not get enough protein in their diet. Indeed, vegans do not consume animal-based protein sources such as meat and dairy. However, numerous plant-based protein sources provide all the essential amino acids needed by the human body. Legumes, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts are just a few examples of protein-rich foods that vegans can incorporate into their diet to meet their protein requirements. Another misconception is that veganism is expensive and not accessible to everyone. While it is true that certain vegan products can be costly, such as specialized vegan meat substitutes, a vegan diet can be more affordable than a typical omnivorous diet. Staples like grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables are affordable and widely available. Additionally, growing awareness of veganism has led to an increase in affordable plant-based alternatives in grocery stores. A third misconception is that vegan diets lack essential nutrients, particularly vitamins and minerals. While vegans need to ensure they are meeting their nutritional needs, a well-planned vegan diet can provide all the necessary nutrients. For example, plant-based sources like leafy greens and legumes are rich in iron, while fortified plant milks and cereals can provide vitamin B12, which is primarily found in animal products. One of the most prevalent misconceptions is the belief that veganism is inherently unhealthy. While it is true that vegan diets, like any other, can be unhealthy if they consist mainly of processed foods and lack essential nutrients, a well-balanced vegan diet is associated with many health benefits. Studies have shown that consuming a plant-based diet can lower the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Some people believe that veganism is impractical and difficult to follow, especially when dining out or during social gatherings. While it may require more planning and awareness, being vegan is far from impractical. Restaurants and food establishments are becoming increasingly accommodating to vegan diets, with many offering dedicated vegan menus or alternative options. Social gatherings can also be managed by communicating dietary preferences in advance or bringing vegan-friendly dishes to share. Another misconception is that veganism is a purely individualistic lifestyle choice. On the contrary, many vegans are passionate about promoting environmental sustainability, animal welfare, and social justice. Veganism aligns with principles of compassion, justice, and protecting the planet. By reducing the demand for animal products, vegans actively contribute to a more sustainable future. There is a common belief that vegans are weak and lack energy due to their diet. This is a baseless myth, as athletes like Serena and Venus Williams, Lewis Hamilton, and Novak Djokovic are all vegans. A balanced vegan diet can provide sufficient energy and nutrients needed for physical activities. Many vegan athletes have reported improved recovery and performance after switching to a plant-based diet. A misconception that stems from misinformed stereotypes is that vegans are judgmental and push their beliefs onto others. While there may be some individuals who fit this description, it is unfair to generalize the entire vegan community. Many vegans simply choose to lead by example, sharing their own experiences and knowledge when asked. Like all belief systems, it is important to judge individuals based on their actions rather than preconceived notions. Lastly, some argue that veganism is too radical and extreme. However, the adoption of a vegan lifestyle is a personal choice based on individual ethics and values. It is not uncommon for societal changes to be met with resistance, but it is essential to recognize that veganism is a valid and sustainable way of living that goes hand in hand with the progression toward a healthier and more compassionate world. In conclusion, there are several misconceptions surrounding veganism that are not supported by scientific evidence and first-hand experiences. I hope this information on the misconceptions about veganism. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics and tips on kale diets, vegan smoothies, vegan recipes, and vegan healthy eating, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's change our eating habits for a healthier life.